This old guy DIY technique has to do with repair to a Savage Axis recoil pad. When I removed this recoil pad, the retaining clip cracked. I initially tried to repair it with super glue. That did not work. So then I looked at the inside here and thought if I just took a piece of construction foam, cut it to the size so it's butted up against the back of the pad here, and then it would push out this little retainer. So I took a piece of foam and just cut it with a knife. Tuck that in there. And then when I push it down, it's packed in there tightly. And now, when you look at that little tab, it's pushed out. So when I snap it into the stock, it'll stay home where it belongs. That's the Old Guy DIY tip for today.